We need some kind of excitement from the dog. This can be a chuff to begin with and mark and reward it. It doesn't matter what position they are in. You may not be able to cue the behavior this way and need to capture it when someone knocks on the door. So you would mark and treat and say good speak. Jungo loves chatting, so this was an easy behavior to capture and put on cue with Jungo.
Speak. Yes, good job. Speak.
Each time they chuff, yip, yap or back, the behavior is rewarded. This will only strengthen the behavior in the future when placed on cue for a stronger bark. Remember, tricks are all about having fun and encouragement for the dog.
Good job. Good boy, Jack.